All right, going to keep this video super short. We're going to look at the S&P 500, the weekly, the daily, and the trade of the day. So let's get started. This is the weekly chart right here we're looking at. And you can see we've got a candlestick here this week. Today, I think, is Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, Wednesday, July 26, 2023. The range today was just shy of 51 on the futures. So we're still sitting in this little zone between these two. And as I said, I think it was yesterday's video, actually in last night's email to the members, I said, if we get above 46.31, then watch out for all-time highs, which would be up here at 48.08. Okay, that's what that is up there. So we haven't done that yet. Okay, we might not. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, for now, we're stuck in this kind of sideways stuff going on here. Still got divergence going on here. And the MACD continues to be extremely elevated here. Gone up even more. 137 is really high. Like, that's a really high number. I don't expect this to survive forever up in this. But I mean, you never know. It did back in 2021. It sat way up in here and just tracked sideways for an entire year. So we'll just see how that goes. But those were different times back then when the Fed was just, everybody was getting free money. That's not the case now. So anyway, this looks, like I said, been saying, the weekly chart looks very, very elevated, and I see a lot of risk here. A daily chart. Again, divergence going on. This, I think, we're right in this area right here. I think we're just going to see chopping here. This is 46.31, even though you can't quite see it. That's the 46.31 line right there. Today got up to 46.1075, but it was a down day. Today closed lower than yesterday. I think we'll continue to see consolidation here, just kind of moving sideways for a while. The FOMO meeting, the fear of missing out meeting by the Fed was a dud, right? I saw some. We'll get into the trade of the day here in a minute, but it just amazes me how many retail traders overreact to the FOMO meeting, thinking it means anything. Doesn't mean a hill of beans. But don't tell traders that, and don't tell the Fed that. They want everybody to believe that they're the ones in control, and we should all fear and bow down to them. Anyway, this is what I think is going to happen. I think we're just going to continue to see consolidation, tracking sideways here for a little while. Again, if it breaks above this 46.31, then all bets are off, and we could go to all-time highs. For now, tracking sideways with some intermittent pullbacks mixed in, I think is what we're going to see going on here. Okay, let's look at the trade of the day. All right, so here we are on the 5-minute chart. And the trade of the day, actually, for me, to be honest with you, for me, the trade of the day was right here. That was at about 10 minutes after 11 Texas time. Nice little pullback right here. Nice little money being made. 45.90. down to about 45.82, so maybe a good 7 or 8 points there. You probably pick up maybe not all of this, but most of it anyway. To me, that was really the trade of the day. Now this stuff right here, you don't know that's coming. That's a 5-minute candlestick. It's not even tradable. I'm not saying some people didn't catch the ride when they saw it blast off. I'm sure they did, but it's not really tradable, right? You don't know this is happening. And the fear of missing out meeting that the Fed does, you don't know what kind of reaction you get. This was the, probably a block trade, or just, a bunch of trades thinking that the Fed was going to do, some kind of miracle thing, which they were, of course, wrong. This was a massive setup, faking everybody out, right? Trapping a bunch of people, and then boom, it just gave it all back. Yeah, it's stupid. I don't trade the FOMO meetings. Yeah, and I'm calling them FOMO for a reason, because what they are. The Fed wants everybody to think they're the ones in control. Fear us. We are in control. We tell, what a bunch of bull crap. Total baloney. Criminals. So anyway, that big mess right there, it didn't mean anything to me. To me, this was the trade. This is reliable trading. You can rely on this. This over here is guesswork. Might happen, might not. I don't want to be gambling. This isn't gambling. We're trading, right? We trade and make money on fairly predictable forecasted moves, not what's the FOMO going to do? All right, so that's it today. Keeping it super short. If you want to be a member, look at the link below the description in the video. You get streaming charts and all the good stuff in there. 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. You also going to get symbols at the end of each day, nightly emails for the S&P 500, a bunch of good stuff in there. I'm not even going to bother with showing the list of all the services because right now I really just don't give a damn. All right, if you want to be a member, you can join, take advantage of the Give Us Plus indicator and other services that are available on the Discord server. Okay, that's it for today. Hope everybody had a great day. Happy trading, everybody. Talk to you all real soon again next time.